Welcome to our channel France and
French. We're in Chiang Mai in the north of Thailand, and today we're learning to cook Thai food. We've enrolled on a cookery course where we have to choose 6 different dishes to cook. So I'm doing pad Thai, som tum, tom kha, sticky rice with mango, and Penang curry. And Jean-Laurent is doing
fried rice, lab, tom yum, deep fried banana, and massaman curry.
So now we're off to market to get a few ingredients. We are at the farm.
Let's cook!
This is where the magic will happen. Here's the kitchen. But first, let's have a look around this lovely farm. It's so nice, this farm. To get us in the mood, we try a typical Thai appetizer. Now time to chop up a few ingredients. And ta-da! Fried rice, pad Thai, chicken lab, papaya salad, tom yum, tom kha, Penang curry, banana fritters, and last but not least, mango sticky rice.
And now it's time to digest on a hammock.
What a fantastic way to spend the day.